Let us consider the process of deriving mean and variance of Poisson distribution using the moment generating function. See, the moment generating function of Poisson distribution is derived like this. Into P of x, right? What is P of x in Poisson distribution? E power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. You take e power minus lambda outside because it is independent of x, and these two terms can be written like this, right? And the answer here is e power minus lambda into e power lambda e power t, which can also be written as, you can even take lambda outside and write it as e power lambda into e power t minus 1. We know this is the moment generating function. Now we are supposed to extract the mean and variance from this moment generating function. So let me first derive the raw moments. Okay. You are supposed to differentiate this mx of t once with respect to t. You're going to differentiate with respect to t, so I'm not going to take this form. Let me take this form, right? Because in one particular term, t is not there. So this will be comfortable for me to get operated. See, this e power minus lambda can be taken out, and you have d by dt of this, right? This on differentiation gives e power mx on differentiation e power mx into m. This is not simply x, so since it is e power t, when differentiated gives e power t. See, you have, for example, y is equal to e power lambda e power t. Let y is equal to e power t. Let m is equal to this. So m becomes e power lambda y. If you want dm by dt, we should first differentiate m with respect to y and then differentiate y with respect to t, right? So m with respect to y is going to give you e power lambda y into lambda, and dy by dt is going to give you e power t. So you have e power lambda e power t into lambda e power t, right? Yes, I have differentiated. Let me put it in the proper form. Lambda e power minus lambda into t lambda t e power lambda e power t, right? This is my dmx of t divided by dt. Now my mu1 dash is obtained by substituting t equal to 0 in dmx of t divided by dt. Put t equal to 0 here. You have lambda e power minus lambda into it is e power t. I have written it as t. Lambda e power minus lambda into e power 0 e power lambda e power 0. So you have lambda e power minus lambda into 1 into e power lambda into 1. So you have lambda. So you have derived mu1 dash, first order raw moment is lambda for binomial distribution, that is mean of binomial distribution is lambda. Now let us derive mu2 dash, right? To derive mu2 dash, I am going to differentiate this mx of t 2 times with respect to t and then put t equal to 0. Let me not go to this part. Let us first differentiate, okay? So you can do it as d by dt of dmx of t divided by dt. You have your dmx of t by dt here, right? Substitute it. Lambda e power minus lambda into e power t into e power lambda e power t. Now take lambda e power minus lambda outside. This has to be differentiated. E power t is kept as a constant. Product rule. Differentiate this once. E power lambda e power t into lambda e power t. Plus keep this as a constant. Differentiate this. You get e power t. Okay. Now mu2 dash is obtained by differentiating mx of t 2 times with respect to t and then putting t equal to 0. So you now put t equal to 0 here in this expression. What will you get? Lambda e power minus lambda. E power 0 becomes 1. E power 0 becomes 1. So you have e power lambda. Lambda. This becomes 1. Plus e power lambda becomes e power lambda. E power t becomes 1. E power t becomes 1. Okay. Right. So you have e power minus lambda into e power lambda, lambda plus 1. This gets cancelled. So you have lambda square plus lambda. That is your mu2 dash is lambda square plus lambda. Right? Your mu1 dash is lambda, mu2 dash is lambda square plus lambda. Now you find the variance of Poisson distribution as mu2 equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Lambda square plus lambda minus lambda square. So you have lambda. So variance in Poisson distribution is also equal to lambda. The mean and variance of Poisson distribution are equal. Okay. Thank you.